Hi, I'm Ray and I'm in the greenhouse, and today we've picked up a poinsettia, and we know it's getting towards Christmas when the poinsettias are out in the garden centres and in the shops, but this one is looking very sad and a bit worse for wear, and it was from one of the local supermarkets, and it had a reduced sticker on there, and it was 70p. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, I hate to waste. If it dies, it would just be thrown away. So I've taken it home and I'm going to give it a bit of a treatment, a bit of care, and a bit of warmth and a bit of love, and hopefully we might get a good plant. So poinsettias come from Mexico and Central America, and they really don't like the cold. So it's best to keep these out of the cold, but they do like light conditions. So when transporting your poinsettias, it's always good to give it cover and don't let it get cold or in a draft. So when buying your poinsettia from a supermarket or from a nursery, they often come with the plastic packaging or paper packaging, and then the plant doesn't get so much water. So this one is slightly dried out, but it does need some care. So when buying your poinsettia, look for the really red bracts. The red part is a bract, and the actual flower is in the centre, the yellow flower buds. So when looking for buying your flower, look for the yellow buds and make sure they haven't appeared, and that will make the plant last a lot longer. These are just appearing, but the brown edges is not a good sign. But we're going to give it some love, and we're going to pot this up into a pot. And it's going to give it some more space and a bit more room. So in the native country, poinsettias can grow from 2 foot right through to 13 foot and grown as a tree. So now we can reveal our poinsettia, and we can see it's very dry. So we take a look at my poinsettia, we'll have a look at the roots, and you can see it's okay. It's not root bound at all. It's got pretty good roots. You can see it is slightly moist lower down and just dry on the top. What I am going to do is I've got a slightly larger pot, and this is going to go inside my china pot, which will be not quite nice with the white and the red. It will look really Christmassy. But with the bigger pot, we can put the pot inside, and it's not sitting directly into the water, as they don't like to be sat in the water, in standing water. So any water can drain out the pot and sit in the bottom of this. So I'm just going to put them into this bigger pot, and I've just got general purpose compost, and there's a tiny bit of perlite in the compost. I've run out of perlite, so this will give it a bit more space. I'm just going to tease out some of the lower roots and make sure it fits in. There we go. We'll just remove some of this on the top. You can see where it's grown in its own pod, where it's originally grown. So just about fits in the pot. And then we're going to cover it up with some more compost and give it a good firm press down. So general care for the poinsettias is they need lots of light but not sunlight, and need lots of warmth. So around 15 to 22 degrees is pretty good, but not in direct sunlight and away from any drafts or even any radiator heat. Can cause problems and it will dry out a lot quicker, so you may need to water it a lot quicker, a lot more often. So there we go, that's our poinsettia potted up, and now it can sit inside the pot, and any water that goes in the edge can run out and run into the bottom of the china pot. So all we need now is to give it a bit of a water, and then we need to get it into the house and into the warmth. So we'll watch and see how we get on with our poinsettia, and hopefully it will recover, but it was only a cheapie anyway, so I'm not too fussed. But it looks good in the white pot, very good for Christmas. So let me know in the comments, do you have poinsettias at Christmas? Let me know, and that'd be great. And also subscribe to my channel. Please ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Cheers!